If you don't have installation instructions for your thermostat, don't stress. You can totally still get it set up right. So, first off, grab the model number from the back or inside the thermostat. Then just Google that model number plus installation instructions or settings PDF and you'll usually find a manual online. If that doesn't work, hit up the manufacturer's website. They almost always have downloadable guides and sometimes videos. Another cool trick is checking out YouTube for tutorials specific to your thermostat model. People love sharing step-by-step vids. When you find instructions, keep your phone or tablet handy while you work, so you can easily follow along. Also, take a quick pic of the old thermostat wiring before you unplug anything. Trust me, it helps if you get confused. If your thermostat has a touchscreen or app control, download the app too, because it often has setup guides built in. Last thing, if you feel stuck, call customer support for that brand. They usually walk you through installation over the phone for free. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat setup without instructions is mixing up the wiring, which can mess up your heat and air conditioning system. Fix this by labeling wires before unplugging and cross-checking with online wiring diagrams. Another common issue is skipping calibration or settings adjustments after installation, leaving your home too hot or cold. Make sure to follow temperature setup steps in the manual or app. People also often ignore compatibility between their HVAC system and the thermostat model, which causes poor performance or no control at all. Double-check compatibility info on the manufacturer's site before installing a new thermostat. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners quickly find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with folks needing work done without all the hassle.